Walmart, and that filter, come to find out, is not an original, but you got to get it under a frame. The original is the one I just got, which was the 910S. Well, in this case, it's not. I'm going with the Fram because I've always gone with Fram. I don't know if Tech has got it or not, but it winds up being a TG 9641 or an XG 9641, and it is a filter, just a filter, where the other one is a regular cartridge. So I don't know why they went that way, but they did. See, I kind of like Tri-Tech, but yeah, they don't. Super Tech doesn't carry it. Okay. So just keep in mind, if it is a hybrid, you're going to go with one of these here. In this case, I went with the TG. One with the TG 94.6. Okay. Sweet. Okay.
Change.
And I got it.
Like 20-some cents.
Okay.
4.20 something.
Okay. So they actually make it. I guess I'm gonna go. Seems I'm gonna go synthetic. I guess I'll go with the Ultra. Really different size filters. Hold on. Okay, so there's your filters. The exact same thing. This is Ultra for $11, and this is a regular one for $6. And just notice that came with all the